Okay guys, this is my part 2 of Rock Aries unboxing, because during part 1 my camera accidentally lost its memory, but I was able to put everything in its place. Okay, like the memory was full, let's say like that. So, the Rock Fusion Wheel, I didn't get to the stats though, so let me go over that. For attack, its energy ring is 3, fusion wheel is 3, and performance tip 1. The spin track is double horn. I'm reading dark bulbs. Okay, this is rock areas. So attack is 1 for the energy ring. For the fusion wheel is 1. And the spin track special thing is eternal defense hook strikes opponent. And the performance tip B, which is for ball. Tip keeps top steady. Just like Rock Leon's WB, which is for wide ball. For defense, it has 4 for the energy ring, 4 for the fusion wheel, 2 for the spin track, and 4 for the performance tip. It's much more of a defense than a balance, if you ask me. For stamina, the energy ring is 2, the fusion wheel is 2, the spin track is 2, and the performance tip is 3. Okay. Wait, where is... Come on, Hook. I still don't remember his name. So this is him. Jenga's friend. Since they were kids. Now let's build up this baby. As soon as yeah. So, this thing here spins while, like, it's spinning right, and then it'll go the other direction or whatever. So, let's get this, attach this here. Okay, get the circle side, and just, I think it's in. Yeah, it's in. Next, we'll add this like that. I think, yeah, like this. Let's get Aries and put him here. Let's take out the stickers. Great. Hold on. Try and get out the sticker. Here we go. It's very nice detailing. Okay. And let's pop that right out. And it's a nice gray face bolt. Let's spin this in. Okay. Oops, wrong one. And tighten it. See? So, it's actually pretty good. Now, let's get this. Okay, it's in. Hold on 1 second. Okay, let's stage him again. Okay, 3, 2, 1, lit it. So it spins while his thingy over here is going, as you can hear that, it's going a different direction. Now, it's pretty good. I finished putting the stickers for Dark Bull, Storm Aquario, and Rock Leon. Up next, it's gonna be... No, the grip is freaking heavy. Next is gonna be Dark Asher. Grabby. Man, that gets annoying, but, well, whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.